Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a Nykaa haul of all the products that I got from Nykaa's Hot Pink sale, as well as I'll be giving you other few recommendations of products from skincare, makeup, as well as hair care that I think you should be totally buying from Nykaa because they have amazing discounts going on for each of the brands out there. So yeah, just keep on watching this video. I'm sure you'll love it. If you do, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, share it with your family, help me grow my channel and support me in this journey of mine on YouTube. It would mean a lot to me. So should I start with the product recommendations first or should I do the haul first? Because we have a very huge parcel waiting for us. Like, I'll show you. This is the size of the parcel that I received this morning. Oh, also the sale started on 23rd of July and today is 25th of July and I received the products in the morning itself, and there's a complete lockdown in my city. So I'm really happy to see Nykaa acing up their delivery game in this sale season. So I think I'll just roll on with the product recommendations first and then I'll show you whatever I got. Also, meanwhile, I'll be checking the Nykaa app and telling you the prices of each of the products that I'm going to be recommending, as well as the products that I'll be showing you as a part of the haul. For product recommendations, I have a few products for your skincare as well as a few products for your hair care. Apart from that, I have a few lipstick recommendations for you guys because I think these shades are my absolute favorite. So if you're someone like me and if you like wearing a lot of neutral shades and pinky tones and pinky nudes, you should totally buy these shades for yourself. I don't really wear a lot of makeup anymore. I'm more of a skincare, hair care, taking care of your whole body kind of a person nowadays. Like, it's been a year I have stopped doing makeup and I've really minimized the amount of makeup I'm using on a daily basis, as well as I try and cancel makeup as much as I can. It's not a thing about makeup being bad or makeup being good. It's just my own personal opinion. So I just don't like doing it anymore. Like, I don't feel like it suits me and it doesn't suit my skin and it gives me a lot of breakouts and it makes my skin suffer. So I just thought I'll leave it. I'll just stop doing it. So let's start with the lipsticks and the makeup products first, and then we'll move on to the skincare and hair care part of the video. For lipsticks, I don't really have a lot of recommendations, just these few lipsticks over here. So firstly, we have two lipsticks from MAC. One of them is Velvet Teddy and another one is Meher. I'm gonna swatch both the shades for you guys so that you can see what exactly the lipsticks look like. They're amazing. The pigmentation of MAC lipsticks is so beautiful. They smell amazing. They stay on your lips for a very long time. So this is Meher, as you can see, the bullet and the lipstick. This one is Velvet Teddy. Next, I have three lipsticks from Nykaa. So these are the three lipsticks that I have from Nykaa. First one is Taupe Thrill. This shade is pretty similar to what Velvet Teddy looks like. Next, we have Naughty Nude. And the third shade over here, this one, Mischief Plum. And I have another one which is like a cherry shade, but it's from Sugar. It's from there. It's a Pout Time Vivid Lipstick, the Big Bang Berry, and this is what the shade looks like. And then I have another lipstick from Sugar, which is from their Blush Crush Creme Crayon. Last lipstick recommendation that I have is from Smashbox. Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pause. So it's a very nice, pretty matte red shade, as you can see. For all the lipsticks that I was talking about, each of the prices were either quoted over here or you can find them in the description box below. So make sure that you check the description box. Next I have this kajal from Plum. Plum is an all natural sulfate, paraben, SLS and cruelty free brand, and this is called the Nature Studio All Day Wear Gold Kajal. Now, something about my waterline, it is really oily and it gets really watery. None of the kajals, even the Maybelline or the Lakme ones, don't work for me. This is my favorite kajal of all time. I've been using this kajal for like about a year now. I have already used like 3 pencils of this kajal and this is my 4th one, and I absolutely love it. So this one retails for about $4.95, but during the sale it is available for like ₹396. Apart from the makeup products, if you're someone who shaves on a daily or a weekly basis and you use this razor from Gillette, it's called the Venus Breeze razor. You can see it has these strips on the head. If you are someone who has been using this product for a very long time now, there is a duo from Gillette Venus Breeze razor available for ₹350 with 1 razor and 2 blade heads. So you should totally stock up on this razor because this is one of my favorite razors of all time. It does not give you any small nicks or cuts and doesn't burn at all. It is one of the smoothest shaving experiences of all time. So this razor, if you are someone who uses razor, surely buy this. By the Nykaa Bath and Body Products, this exact range with its lotion, shower gel and body mist is available for a very huge discount, for about a discount of 40%, and the price is ₹780 for a lotion, shower gel and the body mist. So if you are someone who wants to try this body mist or this particular range from Nykaa, surely go ahead and order this for yourself. So I'll be jumping into skincare and I'll be talking about a product from each product category, and I'll be giving you my recommendations, as well as there are a few products present in the box, so I might just open the box and show you those products that I ordered. So first we have an oil-based cleanser or a pre-cleanser. Now a pre-cleanser or an oil-based cleanser is supposed to go on your face and dissolve all the oil-based impurities. So if there is any makeup residue on your face, even after clearing it off with a makeup remover, or if there's any oil when you wake up in the morning, you know, a lot of oil is produced, a lot of sebum is produced when you're sleeping, so you can use an oil-based cleanser to do the work of that, like dissolve all the oil-based impurities. The product I have over here is the Innisfree Apple Seed Cleansing Oil. I have used quite a lot of this product. I absolutely love this product because this is a very lightweight and non-greasy oil-based cleanser, and it does not leave any residue. Like very less residue is left onto your face, and you can actually feel like it's going into your pores and cleaning off everything from your face. This one retails for about ₹1,000, but in this sale that Nykaa is having, you can get it for ₹900. So yeah, this is the first product. I have a few face wash recommendations for you. So if you're someone who has oily to combination skin type, or if you're someone who's suffering from acne, I think you should be going for something with glycolic acid or salicylic acid. So the first product I have over here is the Plum Green Tea Cleansing Face Wash. Now this is a sample size, but you can get the full size on Nykaa, as well as you can get the same thing on Plum's website. I used the Plum's green tea range last year when I had a lot of oiliness and a lot of greasiness going on my face, and I really needed some product for my face to get a little less oily. I started using their green tea range, the green tea cleansing face wash, the toner, the mattifying moisturizer and the mask. The mask is one of my favorite masks of all time. I highly recommend the mask and the mattifying moisturizer. Both of them are my absolute favorite from their green tea range. The product that I have is a salicylic acid based face wash. It is the Neutrogena Salicylic Acid Micro Clear Cleanser, facial cleanser for acne prone skin. Now this has about 2% salicylic acid in there, so it is going to dry your face out a lot more than any other facial cleanser out there. But that is to ensure that all your pores are getting decongested and all the gunk is coming out of your pores. Now Neutrogena is my absolute favorite because these products that I'm getting from Neutrogena are dermatologically tested, as well as they are non-comedogenic. They're really amazing for your skin, as well as they're amazing for people with acne prone skin, because you want something that goes onto your face and does not stay on your skin or does not stay in your pores, something that can not only clean your pores but also not be there in your pores once it's clean, right? So this face wash from Neutrogena is what I ordered from Nykaa's Pink Hot Sale. The next product has to be a toner. Again, I have the Plum Green Tea Toner. Now again, I have the trial size of the toner, but I've already used like the full size product and I absolutely love it. It is an amazing toner. Yeah, one more thing, the Plum Green Tea cleansing gel has a very low percentage of glycolic acid. So if you're someone who doesn't really have a proper skincare regime until now, but you're getting acne and you really wanna invest into some good skincare products, you can go for the Plum range. It has a lower percentage of glycolic acid and it is gonna suit your skin. Next product that I want to be talking about is a scrub or an exfoliator. So generally people use physical scrubs, something which has physical beads present in there, and it exfoliates your skin physically. I personally have not used a physical scrub for about 6 months now, and I'm gonna be switching to chemical scrubs. So I ordered this Dot & Key 10% AHA 2% BHA exfoliating serum. It's called their Hydro Peel Glow Potion. This product has never been on sale. Like, I've been waiting to try this product for a very long time, but never ever have I ever seen this product go down even by 10 rupees, and right now I got it for like 986 rupees. So even if it is like a 64 rupees ka, discount, it is a very huge discount for me because I've been waiting to try this product. Finally got my hands on it. And products like this one are actually going to make your skin very sensitized, so make sure once you use this product, you top it off with a very good moisturizer, something that goes on with this product, something that actually suits your skin. And then you make sure that you do this, you exfoliate your skin at night so that you have no sun exposure for like a minimum of 10 to 12 hours, because this is going to sensitize your skin very much. And if you step out in the sun, you might get sunburns, or there might be some sort of a reaction going on your skin, which might not be the most pleasant experience for you. So yeah, when you're using this, make sure you take all sorts of precautions. So off lately, I've been loving these two serums from Mamaearth. This one is their vitamin C serum. It is the Skin Illuminate Face Serum with vitamin C and turmeric. I put this under my moisturizer after I'm done cleansing and toning my face, and then I use a moisturizer and I put this serum on top of my moisturizer. So this is the Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum with niacinamide and ginger extract. So I have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It is a hyaluronic acid based moisturizer, and it is really great if you want to apply a very thick moisturizer on your face at night and sleep. This is gonna moisturize your skin really well, as well as seal all the goodness of the serums as well as the toner that you just used. And hyaluronic acid is also going to make your skin plump. So this is the moisturizer that I ordered. Now if you are doing a morning skincare routine, you have to top it off with a nice sunblock. Now this is the Neutrogena sunblock with SPF 50+. It's non-comedogenic, it won't clog your pores, and it is a dry touch sunblock. It is not going to leave any oily residue onto your skin and make you feel sticky. So this is a nice option to go for. And if it is a morning routine, you have to wear a sunblock when you're going out in the sun, because sun can cause a lot of damage. It can cause a lot of aging to your skin, and it is really important to top everything off with a sunblock. And yeah, make sure you don't wear any vitamin C products, be it a moisturizer or a serum, when you are doing a morning skincare routine, because if you're going outside in the sun, vitamin C can be photosensitive and can cause more harm than good to your skin. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I have a few hair care products that I absolutely love. Not a lot, I just have 2 brand recommendations and a few product recommendations for you guys. These products can work for majority of you because it worked for me. Nothing works for me when it comes to my hair. Now the first one has to be the Herbal Essence Bio Renew Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. Now this is available for $688 right now on Nykaa as a part of their sale. And yeah, I'm gonna open and show you guys how the tubes look like. But I have used other shampoos from this particular brand, like the strawberry one, and there was another one, the coconut one, I guess. I loved all of them. The strawberry one is a little drying on your hair, but the conditioner is gonna top it off. Like the conditioner is gonna help you regain all the lost moisture. Any conditioner from this brand is gonna help you with the conditioning part of it. Like, you don't even have to worry about it. So yeah, this is the shampoo. This is what it looks like. And this is the conditioner. Pretty similar packaging for the shampoo and conditioner. My second product recommendation would be from Mamaearth. I have their Happy Heads shampoo. And the No More Tangles conditioner. I have been using these two for like about a month now. If you're someone who's trying to get a shampoo which is SLS paraben sulfate free and it's cruelty free and it is a goodness brand, then you can go for the Mamaearth shampoo that I'm showing over here. There is also a huge discount on the Mamaearth Onion range, which has the shampoo, conditioner and the hair oil. I'll be inserting a screenshot of that somewhere on the screen so that you can check it out. I'll also put the link in the description box. Make sure you check the description box. Apart from that, when you work out, you sweat a lot and there's a lot of sweat accumulated on your hair. And if you're someone like me, you have really oily scalp, your hair just does not take it. Like, every time you work out, there's so much sweating and you have to wash your hair every other day. I feel like that is one of the main reasons why my hair got so much damage. So I ordered this Dove dry shampoo. It is the Dove Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. Yeah, there's nothing great about this product and I honestly haven't even used it. I have used the Batiste dry shampoos, their brunette dry shampoo, as well as the normal one, the cherry one. I like both of them, so I thought why not try the Dove one, because Dove also has a few different variants in their dry shampoo range. So I got this. So once a week you should actually use a mask and get rid of all the dullness of your face and the dead skin that's accumulated. So I have 3 product recommendations for you. First one has to be the Mamaearth Upton face mask. Now this face mask is really good. It has bentonite and kaolin clay. And the second one has to be the Plum Green Tea mask. Now I don't have the container of the mask. I've already used it and the container is, well, it's my mom threw it away, so nah. So anyways, the Plum Green Tea mask is amazing as well. It comes in a glass jar and it is already made. It's pre-made, so you just have to take a brush and apply it all over your face. Now another one that I have over here is this Innisfree mask. It is their super volcanic clay mousse mask, and might look like a spray bottle, but it has a stopper over here, and when you press, the product comes out of this nozzle. So yeah, I really love this mask because there are days when none of the mask, nothing works for me, but this mask actually brightens my skin up and it also helps in drying out a few pimples for me. So I absolutely love this mask. You can get this from Nykaa. I got this last year when the BT21 range partnered with Innisfree, but you can get the same product without the BT21 mark, obviously. Yeah, these are all the product recommendations that I have for you guys. Go ahead, shop on Nykaa, get whatever you want for yourself. If you want any product reviews from my side, just comment down below and I'll be happy to do so. Please, please, please ring the bell icon, because that will help you know when I upload another video on my channel. And if you have any questions, just hit my Instagram DMs or just comment down below and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more content on my channel. Bye.